So basically we try to have a date or deadline for each contractor when their job will be completed. Because what has happened now, all the sewage lines and all those things should be laid down. It is only after that then the roads will be done. So until unless you have a deadline for the sewage, for the completion of the sewage, then only the road thing can be taken up. Now as far as the deadline is concerned, so no contractor basically should miss the deadline. Because if you miss this deadline, then that deadline gets extended.
So CCP wasn't part of this meeting?
CCP also was part of it. All agencies were there. CCP was there, PDA was there, PWD was there, and sewerage department. Because पाऊस आणि आता आम्ही गावाकडे फक्त मागपाचे मेळाचे पहिले पाऊस पडपाक
Anything about the substandard work is going on?
See, substandard, as I said, our thing is what the one. The consultant is the main fellow who will be held responsible as far as the substandard work is concerned. Because the consultant will have to check the work.